journey of studying at Golden Lake College in NLife, I have been thoroughly been challenged to. I entered this academy naive, but willing with substantial knowledge and experience. These have served as eye-openers, sources of inspiration, lessons in persistence, and tools for personal growth that have shaped who I am today. With that, there are lessons that I will continue to carry as I embark on another chapter of my journey. For most, obstacles are inevitable. Yet I have learned that we encounter rocky paths because we are given the strength to walk them. Challenges wouldn't be placed before us if we are incapable of overcoming them. Second, learning is everywhere and knows no boundaries. It can take place in school, at home, or even on the streets. Learning is also infinite. It never ends. A passage from the Little Book of Speeches states that education shouldn't just satisfy one's hunger for education, but rather challenge students to continuously seek it. Lastly, as Golden Link College always reminds us, we should strive to be the best that we can be. That doesn't mean always being at the top, but rather making the most of our potential. It is written that we wouldn't be where we are today without those who guided us along the way. Teaching numerous students is never easy. Yet I am thankful for every teacher who has a burning passion for education, who has fed our hunger for knowledge, and has answered our endless curiosity. Learning wouldn't be as enjoyable without my friends and my classmates who has been my constant companion throughout high school. These students taught me as a as the class president for consecutive years. These students taught me the joy of celebrating others' accomplishments and the importance of sharing knowledge. The quality of education I have received wouldn't be possible without my parents, who has been instrumental in supporting me. I am immensely grateful for them for instilling the belief that great wisdom comes from both reading and living, for allowing me to learn from every source possible, and for the prayers they have offered on my behalf. Above everything, all gratitude to God who has been my safe refuge, my provider, and my comfort all throughout my life. May this day mark as one of our great achievements. Congratulations to our teachers,